Good afternoon to all of you and respected sir. Today we all are gathered here for a group discussion on the topic of heart attack. If you suspect a heart attack, call emergency service. Heart attack is also known as myocardial infarction. When the flow of blood cannot reach the oxygen in a part of a heart muscle suddenly blocked, that is called the heart attack.
Around 50% of the population in India goes through a heart attack every day, and in India the population becomes the prey of heart attack at a very younger age.
Now the heart attack cases are very much here. You should check your blood pressure every time.
The main causes of the heart attack is oily food. Your high cholesterol and your high BP is causes to the heart attack.
A heart attack occurs when there is a loss of blood supply to part of heart vessels, often due to blockage in nearby arteries.
Heart attack is a very common disease in India, and we should not eat too much oily things, and we should not eat too much salt.
I agree with my opinion here. First of all, you also know that the heart is called the CPU of our body. It is the main functioning thing in our body, and you can also find in your science book as well as that our heart has four chambers, two are main chambers. One we call ventricle and another one is aorta. These are the two functions.
So how does what is heart attack? So we should know this. Heart attack happens when the blood goes in your heart. Means when the blood make a clottage without any cut or without any vein. When the blood make its clottage inside the nose, then only the heart attack takes place. Mainly it is seen into the A plus group, B plus and AB positive.
There are many causes of heart attacks, especially stress, increasing of blood pressure and sugar level in your body.
I agree with my previous sir. If you don't want heart attack, you should avoid too much salty food and you should avoid too much oily food.
The problem behind heart attack in a very large number is related to health conditions like high blood pressure, obesity, diabetes are the leading culprits of heart attack.
We should not eat too much oily food because it is also causes heart attack.
Heart attack occurs when the blood is not supplied properly into the heart. Then the heart attack comes. And sometimes because of heart attack, as Manish told us that there are four chambers in heart.
Symptoms include pain in the chest, may spread. It is the medical emergency that needs hospital treatment.
Stress and too much oily food and too much salt is also affects the heart attack.
You also can use in headlines that after COVID vaccination, the number of heart attacks patients is increasing rapidly, and it is also true, but not that much amount, because you also know that during pandemic, everybody has taken COVID shield for protecting their body from coronavirus. For that, we have taken a Covishield vaccine. In Europe, one case was running related to these issues, that after vaccination, that many side effects have been found by the people, that after vaccination